welcome to our channel. Today, we invite you on a journey through a mesmerizing tale titled The Curious Bee and the Technicolor Garden. Let us transport you to a magical garden where curiosity and diversity reign supreme. The Technicolor Garden was once a vibrant garden in a lush valley that was brimming with life and colors. The blossoms there showed excellent magnificence, with gleaming and stunning tints. At the core of this plant heaven dwelled a honeybee named Clarisse, a honeybee dissimilar to the others, more inquisitive and anxious to investigate her general surroundings. Clarisse was a persistent honeybee, resolutely assembling nectar, and limitlessly inquisitive. She stood apart with her unquenchable hunger for information and her consistent longing to investigate past the limits of her day-to-day daily practice. Clarisse desired more than her companions, who were content to merely collect nectar without question. At some point, as the nursery was enlightened by a grand nightfall, Clarisse set out looking for something new and captivating. She set out on an excursion past the natural blossoms to the furthest finish of the nursery, where she had never been. Roses with purple petals, kaleidoscopic tulips, and puzzling orchids allured her from the opposite side. She bravely went out and found an amazing, unexplored world. She experienced butterflies with shimmering wings and striped ladybugs, each with its own story to tell. These newly discovered companions drove her to a magnificent tree with silver and gold leaves, apparently the gatekeeper of the nursery. It was the ancient and abundantly knowledgeable tree of wisdom. Clarisse drew closer and welcomed the tree consciously, communicating her craving to get more familiar with her general surroundings. The tree, kind and understanding, addressed her about the significance of variety and the magnificence that dwells in each animal, bloom, and tree. It told the story of the garden and how each animal and plant made the place magical and harmonious. Clarisse then, at that point, comprehended that variety and acknowledgement were fundamental components of life, and it was vital to regard and grasp different animals. Appreciative for this valuable example, Clarisse got back to her edge of the nursery, imparting her recently discovered information to her kindred honeybees. She urged them to investigate, learn, and share their insight with the remainder of the nursery. Before long, the whole nursery focused with another light, a light of common comprehension and regard. The Technicolor nursery turned into a living illustration of serene concurrence and joint effort among all animals. Honeybees, butterflies, ladybugs, and blossoms cooperated to keep up with the excellence of the nursery and flourish from it. Hence, Clarisse and her honeybee companions showed the world that interest, liberality, and understanding were the keys to genuine congruity and excellence. Furthermore, the Technicolor nursery kept on sparkling in the entirety of its tones, a living representation of the extravagance that emerges from variety and acknowledgement. Thank you for joining us on this enchanting journey. If you enjoyed this story, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more magical tales. Until next time, embrace the beauty of diversity in your own life. Goodbye.